What's going on, insiders? It's Harrison here with an actionable profile update. The team is growing here. We have been hard at work, and there are a bunch of new rules in the actionable profile that I wanted to highlight here. Let's jump into the details. Since our last actionable profile update, there have been over 210 new actionable alerts added to the actionable profile. We are hitting categories like the fencing category, more rules in the WTR category, the ACT category, FCW, floor covering wood, MTL, metal. While we already have a collection of 3,500 alerts for a lot of the most common categories of line items like WTR, drywall, plumbing, electrical, things like that, we've had the opportunity to dive into some of the less frequent categories like fencing and metal to make sure that our profile is providing guidance across every trade that you might be estimating within Xactimate. Now, in these videos, we always want to point out any major shifts to our strategies, to how the alerts are going to be functioning in the actionable profile. And I have to say thank you. We have gotten a ton of feedback from users of the actionable profile throughout the summer in 2024. And one of the number one things that we heard that I was excited was something that we can do something about. We can make this happen. You may have noticed a lot of our alerts are being updated away from being a group alert into an estimate alert. And why this matters, a group alert only looks at that group in that room in Xactimate. It's only looking at the sketch of that room. It's only looking at the line items of that room. And if the alert determines, hey, I need to trigger, I need to say something, then it will fire. And a group alert can technically fire in every single room that it applies. And for some of our alerts, they were group alerts and they were popping up in every single room, and people gave us feedback of, hey, it's a little annoying. I don't always need that thing. It's it pops up in every room and I'd like to, not have to click on it a bunch of times. Well, thankfully there are tools like bulk bypass, duplicate bypass that have helped make all of these group alerts very easy to work with or resolve quickly, but there is more that we could do. We have started updating these alerts to estimate alerts. One of the best examples I have here is down here in the bottom right corner, the add-on for diagonal tile installation. This used to be a group alert that popped up in every single room that you were doing tile flooring work. Just a reminder of, hey, if you have a diagonal pattern involved here, you might need this add for line item. Well, an estimate rule looks at your entire estimate. It's not looking at one room. It's not looking at the sketch of one room. It's looking at everything in your entire estimate. And if in your entire estimate you have tile flooring and you don't have the diagonal, then we only need to tell you once, hey, there's an add-on for diagonal tile installation. You have diagonal tiling in these rooms throughout your scope. Please make sure that if this would be a warranted line item to add to any of those rooms that have tile floor work being done. So I've been incredibly excited about this change because it allows us to really, really focus on what alert needs to be a group alert and make sure that that action happens in that room based on the activities in that room. But at the same time, being able to provide excellent guidance at the estimate level and using the utilities of the XactXpert inspection engine to make sure you know where you need to go and we don't need to tell you 17 times of where it is and how it works. So I've been incredibly excited about these shifts and these changes. We've got even more coming very soon. I'm going to record this video, and I've got another one to record in probably a week with some other exciting updates to come in Q4 this year. So, as always, thank you for watching, subscribing, and leveraging the actionable profile to write accurate estimates in Xactimate. Thank you. Please like, share, subscribe. Let somebody know that, hey, I'm using this new tool that is really helping me write better estimates. That helps us. That helps the industry. And that's what we've been here to do since 2015. So thank you for your help and guidance and support. And we will see you next time.